Sanele saved Mbali from the whole bomb situation. They made up and got back together. Sanele suspects that Zama is behind the whole thing, and Zama and Pinda give love a chance. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Itonga. So Sanele went in to save Mbali because the rescuers were taking forever. Apparently they were stuck at Tegwini. He got in there, stopped the bomb from exploding, and saved Mbali. She was so relieved, came out with him like a hero. Her family was so happy, thanking him for the miracle that he did for their daughter. Zama and Pinda were just standing there, realizing, how can Sanele save her from this? Then they decided, Pinda, let's leave before they suspect us. But it seems like Sanele is already suspecting them. And then Umdeni Mbali were just thankful and grateful that Sanele saved Mbali from this whole situation. If it wasn't for him, Mbali would have exploded and died in that shop. The and I'm grateful that at least Ndodakazi is safe. And then the detective comes questioning them about what happened and whether they suspect anyone. And Sanele did not mention that he suspects Uzama, and just said that he doesn't suspect anything. Mbali also said that she did not see the person who did this to her because Ube, I think he dragged her. When she woke up, she was already bound in a chair. And then Mahlope comes home announcing that there's something that happened. Sanele was a hero, a saver Mbali from a bomb. Abasathukanga worried ukuthi Sanele might be in danger. Umamkhiza uthi maybe uSanele ulimela. Say, don't even bother. Ungakhathazeki, uSanele right. I've a hero bandla. And then umndeni wakhe they pray and thank God for saving Mbali and uSanele. They were all just grateful athi uletho kuhle yazi for it to impilo yethu yonke for what you did for our sister. Even Obabakhe was like, hey, as in Numa Waki, but Mkwenyan, Lento Senzele and I cool, we're really grateful for what you did. Upinda no Zamake Wanabak is back planning a Makanda, wondering what went wrong, how could Sanele stop the bomb? And then because Sanele just Dupunga, Principal just Dupunga, how did he manage to pull this off? And then Obabaka Zama comes, when Zama, I know it was you. Why do you keep torturing Ganega Lala? Even Ngempela, what did she do to you? Zama tries denying it, but Obabakata, I know it was you. Yes, Utuma Pesa will come knocking la. I was mela upila saying Uzama she did not do this, but to presume Tiga and Wuti no yenzili. Please leave her alone. Yo upinda wamelu Zama like Ubabake like that. She really fought for her. Hey, Uzama wabona ukuthi yazi umuntu ngithandela upinda must just stop fighting for umuntu ngangifuni. And said ukuthi yazi Pinda, I've been here all along, you know Maputa army, but still you love me with all your heart. I think I need to start fighting for us. And we give love a chance. Angasajabulanga upinda, they kissed and they just, I guess they're dating now officially. And Zama then gets a phone call from Sanele. Sanele tells her, I know it was you. And we ask Pinda wamthinta Mbali. So bulana when nomndeni wakho wonke, I'm going to kill you and your whole family. You're going to wish that you died together with your mom and your sister. Zama tried to deny it. But Sanele was clear. I know it was you. And then Mbali comes to Sanele again, Tambama, saying, ever since we broke up, I haven't been myself. Everything I do, I want to do it with you. And they all confess their love for each other. Usanele and Mbali. And Mbali actually spent the night with Sanele. So this whole thing that Zama did was actually getting them back together, because now they're back together, all thanks to Uzama. What she wanted, she actually did the opposite of what she wanted from this whole situation. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.